Smoking on that reefer till I pass the fuck out. Get your bitch ass in the club, you can drag the fuck out. Put that bitch up in my stand, she got smacked the fuck out. Back up in the parking spot, no time to back the fuck out. You can give her what you like, or you gon' turn the fuck out. Be smoking all this grease, smoking the fuck out. Pulling up against the wall, you can break the fuck out. Niggas stop popping eggs before I snap the fuck out. Before make you think a nigga count the fuck out. Nigga need to get some sleep, man, I'm filmed the fuck out. Pulling up that caution lagging and they ran the fuck down. I'm the only one can tell them niggas stand the fuck down. My whole family with this street shit, it was hand the fuck down. I'm somewhere up on a cloud trying to get the fuck down. Bitch came in the crib snake and told her get the fuck out. Fuck you when you're clean, you can call them niggas up. I ain't gon' want it, man, so I came up with a plan. Had to do it on my own, I ain't holding out my hand. Shout out to my mans, I mean, shout out to my friends. If they shot your ass once, they'll shoot your ass again. Shout out to my stands, I mean, shout out to my fans. They like, when he gonna drop, man, that nigga count again. Shout out to your wife, I mean, shout out to your bitch. You in a double lock truck, bitch, throw her like a hand. Maybe lose my fucking temper, hit the nerve switch. Yeah, you riding like a broom, you still a bird, witch. And this life a nigga live will make you nervous. He say he shitting on shit, so what is it, bird shit? When I'm shitting on a nigga, it's big turns, bitch. I lay back, get the top and smoke perk, bitch. When I'm rolling up, gon' have me flat like the earth, bitch. Finish your fool so you can come and eat your dessert, bitch. I got my own L's, I don't give a fuck what you worth, bitch. Fuck your ears, nigga, I don't give a
Not gonna lie, this ain't my smartest set of decisions. I left my book bag at home thinking I was just gonna take a quick ride. I'm about 40 minutes from my house, and that's what the gas I'm working with, so.
Walking out phone, bitch, I be alert. Nigga wanted bad, so I came up with a plan. Had to do it on my own, I ain't holding out my hand. Shout out to my mans, I mean, shout out to my friends. If they shot your ass once, they'll shoot your ass again. Shout out to my stands, I mean, shout out to my fans. They like, when he gonna drop, man, that nigga count again. Shout out to your wife, I mean, shout out to your bitch. You in a double lock truck, bitch, throw her like a hand.
it's quick. So your car's quick. Right? Hey, you was keeping up, though. If I had more gas, I was staying on. I like your car, though. Appreciate it, man. Damn, all the cars. That thing sound like it would beat me though. Nah. Everybody come out to play tonight! How do I even get home?